Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're using ATOME and want to boost your spending limit, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. First, open the ATOME app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. If you haven't updated recently, head to your app store and grab the newest version. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look for your profile or account section, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see your current spending limit displayed. This is the amount ATOME has approved for you based on your payment history. Step 3. Next, find the option that says Increase Limit or Request Higher Limit. This button is typically near your current limit information. Tap it to start the process of requesting a higher spending amount. Step 4. ATOME will ask you some questions about your income, employment status, and spending habits. Answer these honestly because they're reviewing your financial situation to determine if you qualify for more. The more information you provide, the better your chances. Step 5. Finally, submit your request and wait for ATOME to review it. This usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. They'll notify you through the app whether your new limit has been approved, and if it has, you'll see it updated immediately. That's how you increase your spending limit on ATOME in 2026.